Hey everyone, let's learn to use Canva in just 10 minutes. Start by typing in www.canva.com. You'll be taken to this page. You can, if you already are a member, you can just sign in or you have to sign up. So once you are in, you just want to see what are the options available or what are the things you can do. Just scroll around, you can see a lot of templates. Today we'll try to create a few designs, not designs but a few versions of the same design. Okay, for example, we can start by creating an Instagram post. So create a design and you can see there's an Instagram post. It will be specific size according to the Instagram post size. So from here you can choose a template. So these are already pre-made, so you just need to make a few changes and you have your very own design. Since Christmas is approaching, let's try a Christmas template. Okay, this one. Okay, in this one we have two pictures and then you can delete and replace them. These are frames and you can just bring about any pictures and put them in. Let's go to elements or photos and see something we can see. Okay, there is something called the pixels and here you can find a lot of free photographs. Let's try searching for something related to Christmas. Okay, I think I want to put a reindeer. Yeah, this one looks nice, the plush toy. Yeah, let's use this. Just drag it and drop it in the frame, double click and then adjust. Yeah, so now it looks nice. Now do the other frame. We can choose something else, maybe a snowman. Okay, this is good. Let's choose this and then arrange. Yep, they look very cute together. Okay, now let's try and arrange the font. Okay, there are a lot of free fonts and if you're a pro member you can choose some pro fonts as well. So let's play around, or you can just type in cursive so that it gives you a more of a typewritten and a handwritten feel. There are a lot of options here. You can see there is a crown sign at some of the fonts. Those are for the pro version. When you're making the design, they don't discriminate, but once you are going to save, then it will give you a problem if you're not a pro user. So always remember, if you're a free user, always try to filter and keep to the free. Okay, now we are going to make more copies of this Christmas accessory, the bells. Just going to copy and paste Command C, Command V, normal stuff. If you want to resize or replace this leaf, you can do that as well. Just play around with the elements tab and you'll be good. You can find and search for anything basically. Now let's try and get a background picture, a Christmas tree maybe. Let's see, there are a few options. I think I like this one. Yeah. This one looks good. Let's choose this. Okay, now you can left click and replace background so it will fit very nicely. If you're not happy, you can just double click and resize. Now let's change the color of the font. Okay, white does not look as clear, so we can change maybe the transparency of the background, then it will show better. Just click on this option and just reduce the transparency. Okay, I think I'm going to change the color of the font as well. Change it to red and green. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, so now I think our Instagram post is almost ready. Maybe we can add a few more. Maybe snowflakes. Okay, let's try and search. Maybe this time we don't use pixels, we'll try and use elements. Okay, this one's all a lot of like photos, so let's try and search for elements instead. You can play around, there are so many options here. Yeah, just go to elements and search for something like snowflakes, and you will see a lot of pictures, vector graphics. So choose what you want. Yeah. If it is a vector graphic, you will be able to change the color of it as well. So just resize it, go to the color, and then change. Maybe I'll just choose a slightly grayish color so that it shows better. You can turn, rotate it, position it as per your liking. You can copy and paste and create a few more copies, or you can choose something else, change the color so that it matches. Okay. So all the document colors will show up in the beginning, so you can choose so that you can align and make sure they are all in the same colors or color group. I'm just going to erase this a little bit and just see it. This one shows a lot of magic recommendations, so when you click on it, you can see all those things that related to maybe Christmas or snowflakes. So you will be able to get more choices out of it without having to search for it. Not all of them shows, but most of them do. If you want a center, you can search for center also. If you want a center cap only, you can search for center caps. So we will choose this and maybe add as a little accessories below our font. Okay, let's change position. Oops. Okay, I think I'm good with this post. Just want to change the name of this, and okay, if you want to add animations, then you can do that also. Just click on animate, click on the picture and click on animate. You have a few options, but I don't want to animate this one, so I will just change the name of this design, change it to Christmas wishes Insta post. And you can download or share. When you click on download options, you can actually resize this 1 times, 2 times, or 3 times. You can save it as a PNG file, a GIF file, MP4, create as a transparent background. If you want a lower quality, you want to reduce file size, you can do that also, and then just click on download. Okay, these are the options. You have a lot of options to choose from. Just scroll down, then you download. Now let's try how we can use the same thing for another post, maybe a Pinterest post. So you click on Resize and then search for Pinterest. If you're not able to find, just type it in. Canva makes it really easy for you. So you type in Pinterest and you'll be able to see. Just click on it, copy and resize. So this will open up a new window and it will be resized according to the Pinterest post specifics. Now everything will be the same except that they will be maybe out of place, so you just arrange to your liking, so to make it more cohesive, make it look nice. Maybe you want to make the fonts a little bigger, maybe the images a little bigger, so that they all show properly. You can add more things, you can delete whatever you want. Okay, let's try and add a center cap over here. So maybe it looks a little different from our Instagram post. So resize it, rotate and place. And just place it above the font. So now our Pinterest is ready. You can directly share it on your Pinterest page and you just have to link it. Just scroll down. Same thing for Instagram post also, you can share it directly. So just click on it, share your link, and then you are good to go. You don't even have to save it. Otherwise, you can just download as earlier I showed you. So just download. Now you can try and create another, maybe a greeting card this time. Let's try and resize it again. Let's type in greeting card. Virtual greeting card, there are a few options. Just choose whatever you want. You can choose all 3. They will all open in different pages. let's do just one today. Maybe I'll do a portrait one, copy, and now it's opening in a new window. New tab, and from here you have a lot of options. It's resized according to the card specifics. You can still make all the changes you want, whatever you want to do. And this one, since it's a virtual one, you can add more pages so that and add animations. Just go to the plus sign and then add transition, so you can flip, you can slide, whatever you want. Just play around with it. You choose the direction even. Okay, and so once you are ready, just click on what you are comfortable with, go to the next page, and you can add a new template or just copy the same. Let's try this so that we can take. Now I've deleted all the elements in that page, and I'm going to add whatever like it's more cohesive with our original design. Just add them, like maybe ornaments, a picture from before. All these things you can find when you click on the elements tab. All these things are already there under the most recently used, so you can directly choose all of them. You don't have to search for them again. You resize them, place them, position them as per your liking. Then you can add the last page. You can just do the transition again. Maybe I'll change this to white color. I want to add a photo, maybe a family photo. You can upload your own photo or your own pictures. Okay, I'm getting rid of the background image so that so it looks nicer. Okay, and then you can resize this and add a few text, maybe lots of love, and you can resize it, choose your font, play around with it, guys. It's really fun to play with Canva. There's so many options and so much things to do. You surprise yourself. Okay, so now we can just save this. I will save this as okay. Let's try and reduce the timing so that when it's more like an opening of the card kind of thing. Here I'm adding a music. Pro version have a lot of options, but free that's quite limited, so just play around with it. Or you can upload your own audio. Maybe you can download from a free website and maybe upload it over here. So MP3 files are supported, so no issues down there. So from here you just download. You can download, or you can share this link with your loved ones. You just share this and they will be able to see your card. You can just click on the link and they're good to go. Or you can try and print this and send it to them as well. Canva has the options of print. I have not tried it, so maybe if you want, you can print the cards and send. There are a lot of options how you want your design to be, design to come out. So basically that's it, guys. So you can just play it and see how it is. Simple message, adding transition, animation, and everything installed a lot more better. So yeah, hope you learned something new. So play around with it and let me know in the comments if you need more information, or if you want me to explore more things in Canva. I'll be happy to help. So please share and subscribe so that we can continue growing. Thank you so much for your support. Bye bye.